The moment you've all been waiting for. The official Rubik's Cube Challenge. Speed Cube Challenge. 3 rounds between Devkar, representing India. I don't know the city.
I make terrible YouTube videos. I haven't gained subscribers since I made the diss track.
And we've got on the other side, Mr. Balaj Khan, representing Pakistan, Islamabad.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरा नाम बलाज है I'm a wreck Devkar yo let's go मजाक कर रहा
I don't think you guys are ready. Because this is about to be the best match of your life. It's about to happen right now. And it's gonna be live. Get your popcorns ready. Here we go.
हूँ you know CFOP
No, I don't know anything.
Explain me what CFOP is.
Bro, these some stupid
Yeah,
algorithm
C-pop is like
things
the
that
fastest
these
way.
kids have to learn to become faster.
Oh, sheesh! Ready, guys?
yeah
On your marks. 3, 2, 1. Hit it!
I think it's you.
shut up done
Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! How did that happen? That's not a possibility. No! There must be a glitch in the matrix. 3, 2, 1. Hit it!
okay I feel कि ये बहुत तेज सॉल्व कर रहा है जिस तरह इसकी आवाजें आ रही है ना
Oh. Oh, no.
hold on hold on
Oh! Oh, not again! No! Oh, no!
I was like half a second after.
Oh, Zalim, it's okay, it's okay. This is the sports of mixed martial arts. Anything can happen. So yeah, Devkar कभी भी come back कर सकता है. Dev वैसे you can look at his webcam, देख लो अगर कुछ वो fishy तो नहीं कर रहा. Okay, मैंने कहा वैसे ही फिर भी अपनी तसल्ली कर लो, you know. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Happening again, boys. So intense, so intense. Oh, Balaj, super focused. Devkar trying to make a comeback. Let's go! Devkar with the 1 and 2. Oh, Balaj getting comfortable. Oh, ये तो फिर टेक लगा रहा है.
नहीं
जी जी सबर करो. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Looks like it's gonna be Dave. Oh no! Oh no! Dave.
that's good
A 2 and a 2. Holy shice! This is getting mad crazy, brothers. All good? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hit it! Both of the opponents super focused. Dave lagging a bit. Balaj knows what he's doing. Super smooth moves, super smooth moves. Oh, Balaj going super. Oh no! Oh no! As we had our eyes on Balaj, Dev, he was like, bro, I'm done. काफी लोगों की दुआएं तुम्हारे साथ Balaj. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh, was that a hack? Was that a hack? Was that a hack? 3, 2, 1, hit it! Oh damn, Balaj, okay. Oh, no! Oh no! What has happened?
I was like
What
wait
has happened?
okay 4-3 oh
It's a 4-3?
first layer अगर बंदा analyze कर लेना I just realized it helps a lot
Okay, so you're giving Dev tips. Okay. Okay.
नहीं
एक तो पहले तुम टेक लगा रहे थे, अब तुम उसे टिप्स दे रहे हो. मतलब यार ये क्या है? तुम्हें पता है ना वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट लिखता है. तुम्हारा करियर स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाएगा. 3, 2, 1, hit it!
okay नहीं
People calling it rigged. Dave, super focused at the moment. He's like, flip this guy. तो मैं दिखाता हूँ बाप कौन है. Balaj almost done. Dave lagging a little. Oh no! Oh no!
Lagging a little. Oh no!
Oh jeez! Oh Salim! Oh dang! Okay.
Now we can do
I
this.
shit you not I got lucky I just got lucky और कुछ भी नहीं हुआ
Balaj का कहना ये है कि वो लकी हुए हैं. लगता है लोगों की दुआएं उनके ऊपर काम कर रही हैं. Dev कोई नहीं खैर है. We believe in you. Better luck next time. Okay, now.
if this isn't a video I will be so sad why you gotta be such a sassy baka
Both hands on the cube. 3, 2, 1, hit it! This is the real match, boys. The moment you've all been waiting for. 3x3.
round इसका
Pakistan versus India.
किया ना
The official match. Balaj representing Pakistan.
ऑफिशियल हो गया ओए ऑफिशियल हो गया
He looks stuck. Dave going super smooth. Not stopping at all. Balaj looking super confused right now. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, what have you done, Balaj?
Yeah, I knew it, man. He's pretty.
3, 2, 1, hit it! Dave thinking about the subs he'll get after this video.
Bro, stop.
Oh no.
I'm stuck.
Oh, he's stuck. Oh no, oh no. What's happening? Blast taking the advantage. He's going crazy. He's not stopping anymore. Dave, he's trying to make a comeback. Oh, sheesh. Who's gonna do it first? Who's gonna do it faster? Who's gonna do it more efficient? Oh no.
Bro, that's a lot of.
Both guys having a trouble. Oh, blood. Is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Who's gonna do it first? Dave going Super Saiyan 3. Oh no. Oh shit.
मेरा भी हो गया
Oh no. Oh, there was a clear winner right there.
मेरा literally
Ready? 3, 2, 1, hit it! Now focus शायद ही हमने कभी पाकिस्तान और इंडिया की हिस्ट्री में देखा होगा. They're smiling for some reason. I think Balaj has figured it out. I think Balaj has figured it out. Has Dev figured it out as well? Oh dang! Oh, super fast fingers! Super fast fingers! Who's gonna do it first?
done.
Oh! Oh, Zalim! Oh, Zalim! Oh, we got a 1-0, 1-2. 1-2. Okay, not bad. Dev, how do you feel right now?
Not confident at all.
Nah, Garo. The Balaj, what about you?
Because my brain keeps stopping in the middle of the solve somehow.
इसमें I'm just getting क्योंकि वो बॉल मैंने देखा था बेटन मैंने यूं देखा he got stuck बीच में like वो देखे जा रहा था he had like I don't know 6 सेकंड का होल्ड अप
3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hit it. Here we go. Round 4 of the 3x3. Balaj just said, "Oi, I think he messed up." Balaj moving his fingers as fast as he can. They're doing some unique moves. Oh, no, oh, they've gone super crazy. Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez! Oh, Salam! You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. This is no less than an MMA fight, or a cricket match, or a chess match, or any match out there. A lot of money on Dave. Oh, Zalim! Oh, Zalim! Oh, Zalim! Oh, no! It's a 4-1! It's a 4-1! 3, 2, 1. Hit it! Dave looking very confused. I think उनको लग रहा है उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा ही mix कर दिया अपना cube, but it's fine. This is a sport of Rubik's Cube 3x3 on the official Shkafity show. Oh, Balaj looking super confident. Oh, बहुत पागल हो गया Balaj. Super Saiyan 5! Oh, he's not stopping. Oh, he's not stopping. Somebody stop him. Oh, no. He solved the Rubik's Cube before Dave. Did he? Oh, no. Is it a comeback for Dave? Oh, no. Oh, sheesh.
What I did with my hands is not what I thought.
Oh, okay. I understand. Okay. Oh, damn. It's fine. It's fine. You just need one more round, Dave. A lot of people are counting on you. Are you ready, Balaj? 3, 2, 1. Hit it! All Dave needs is one round. One round and it's over for Balaj. Dave बहुत लंबे सांस लेते हुए उसको panic attack ना हो जाए. Oh, Balaj going Super Saiyan again. Balaj going Super Saiyan again. What's happening? What's that? Somebody stop him. Oh no. Oh no, he messed it up again. He messed it up as always. What is this 2FL technique he doesn't know of? Somebody teach him. Somebody teach him. Oh no, oh no, oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh no! Oh, it's over! It's over! It's over! No! It's over, man! Stop running the Rubik's Cube! You little noob!